Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're talking about life-changing wealth. That's right. Looking forward 2024 and into 2025. Life-changing wealth in cryptocurrency. Yes, Doge and other cryptos as well, like I've been talking about. Let's get into it. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. We were live on Wednesday. I was talking about Raw Paul and him saying, don't F it up. That's right. This is an opportunity that's ahead of us here. Don't mess it up, guys. Don't try to play these games of chasing the latest meme token and you can get wrecked doing that. Yeah, you can have some gains on some, but overall, probably not going to happen. You might get lucky, but you might get rugged. Be careful out there. You try and trade with leverage, right? 20x, 50x, 100x leverage. You're going to get wrecked. Look what's happening in the market now. This drop that we had this morning, wiping out leveraged longs, millions of dollars wiped out. What are you guys doing? And then you turn around and try and short the market, and the market takes off, and you end up getting liquidated that way. Yeah, every once in a while you're going to make a decent trade, but overall, get not financial advice, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. And 95% of my portfolio is set. I'm not touching it. Diamond hands through into 2025. And then we'll see what happens. And I'm not just talking about Dogecoin. Yeah, we had a little dip this morning, dip across the market here. It's Solana dropping down below $100 and could drop even more. That's right. Could still be more drops ahead. We'll talk about when I think there may be another big dip in the market coming as well. But what we're talking about here is 2024 will offer the last best chance for life-changing crypto gains. The time to position yourself for a virtual fortune is now. This is the opportunity we're talking about now. We've been accumulating since the summer, the depths of the bear market since October 19th. We've been pulling out. See, everyone's portfolios, for the most part, have been up since October 19th. Look at your portfolio. Look at the date. That's the date I called it. I said that was the low. We're going up from here, and that's what we've seen over the past couple months. And it's going to continue. It's going to continue going forward. We have others saying, look, 2024 crypto investment strategy, a roadmap to potential life-changing gains. We are right on the cusp of this huge influx of institutional money into crypto. Some think it's going to wreck it, but right now, where we are now, it's only going to go up from here. I believe it's only going to go up. I have put so much into this now. Look, we're on this journey together, and I've got this Chris Pax portfolio here. Again, just in 3 months, we're already up 58% on this portfolio here that we have been accumulating right since the end of July. Where is this portfolio going to be a year from now? It's not going to be 15,000. I put 10,000 in here. 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x. That's what we're talking about with the opportunities of gains going forward. So what are we talking about here? We're talking about, well, look at Ethereum. Ethereum, price to hit $10,000. Lark Davis believes. 10,000. That's a 5x from here. 5x. Now, some may think, well, maybe 5x isn't life-changing, and maybe you need more than that. So what are you thinking about? Dogecoin? Dogecoin metrics show mega rally is about to start. Mega rally is about to start. The price appeal swells, whales sustain buying momentum. The whales are accumulating Dogecoin. Are you? I've got a ton of Doge. I'm ready to go. We're going to play this out going forward. Massive Solana whale. Movements amid 80% monthly price upswing. All right, Solana has already gone on this huge run, right? And we'll look at the chart in a minute. It's gone on a huge run. It can go so much higher, though. So this dip that Solana had, totally expected. We called it on the live stream. We knew Solana was going to dump down. And it certainly has followed that. And Bonk has gone with it too. So yeah, it's time to maybe buy into some Bonk too, because Bonk is going to be used on Solana going forward. Bonk may actually have a longer term life here and may not be one of those other tokens that just fizzles out. So yeah, very exciting about that. What else is going on? Cardano. That's right. I've already done a transition from Solana to Cardano myself. Look at Cardano. Cardano now, 60 cents. We could see $2-3 in Cardano. $3 Cardano from here is a 5x. But if you bought Cardano when I did, when it was down at 24.5 cents, you've already done a 2.5x. So from there, it's a 10, 15x up to its previous all-time high. And it could go much higher. Algorand, will it touch $1? Algorand's just over 20 cents now, but to $1, that's a 5x. But if you bought Algorand when we did at 10 cents, that's right, our Algorand that we have in our ChrisPax portfolio is at a 10-cent average price. We're already up 133%. If Algorand goes to $1, right, then that's a 10x return on that Algorand. So what do you guys think? Algorand could go much higher. We'll take a look at the charts on that as well. How about Optimism and Arbitrum? We talked about these yesterday as well. These are L2s. We got L1 blockchains, got L2 blockchains. At the end of 2023, these two have been rocketing up in price. How is that going to look going forward? Especially those that are already past their all-time highs and are in price discovery going forward. How about Injective and Render? They've had great gains in 2023. What about 2024? What does it hold for these? Will they keep running? As crypto goes, you know how they all push forward. Fresh whales are accumulating. Aave, Fetch.ai, and what else? Well, we've got Immutable X. If you're into gaming, IMX is a great place to be. I've got a bag of IMX. I'm already way up on that. It's going to keep going. IMX is going to keep going as well. Fetch AI, the AI play. Why not? It's already moving as well. There's so many of these. If we look at, some of these, let's look at Algorand again. We'll go to the weekly and we'll zoom out. So here's Algorand down here at 22 cents. Look. It's already been above $2. We're talking about Algorand to $1. That's only right here, which Algorand actually was at the beginning of 2022. So for Algorand just to get up there is only just the start. It can double again to $2. So that's almost a 10x from here, right where it is trading. This is the kind of life-changing wealth we have an opportunity for. Once these cryptos get up to this level, we could see things start to level out after that. That could happen. Those Bitcoin spot ETFs could cause that to happen in the crypto market. Here's Solana. Now, Solana has had this huge run here since October. Big run. If you got into Solana down here below $20 and it's already at 100, right? So now you've already done this 5x. So now double that again and come up here. Look. Solana was up here, $280. So that's another like 1.5x from here, or 2.5x, I'm sorry. So that is even more. So Solana can still run. You buy on the dip. You see, we got this big dip coming down here. You buy on the dip, and then you accumulate to go forward. Cardano, again, 61 cents. But look, Cardano was up here at $3. At $3. That's a 5x from here, but again, if you bought down lower, you're already up. That's it. I mean, this is the kind of gains. You don't see this much in stock market. Every once in a while, I mean, Coinbase has had a good run. Again, based on cryptos, right? Based on cryptos. So this crypto run is just incredible. We were talking about Render. Render, if it gets up to $8, it's price discovery after that. What is price discovery? Well, look at Arbitrum. Arbitrum is close. Arbitrum just started here in March. And look at it. Once it gets up to $1.82, after that, price discovery. What is price discovery? Look at Optimism. Optimism has already eclipsed $3.30, and now there's nothing stopping it. There's nothing stopping it. It can just keep going. We don't know. It's never traded this high before. It can just keep going. These are the kinds of investments that people can just dream of. And then we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still under 10 cents. For Dogecoin to get back to its all-time high, we're talking, 75 cents to get up to that level that we've seen for Doge from here, 7+X from here. But it may not stop. It may go to $1. We could see Dogecoin really hit $1 this cycle with all of the big things coming forward for Dogecoin. And of course, if you were accumulating when Doge was at 6 cents, like we were in our portfolio, again, over the summer, here's our Dogecoin price. Average price, 6.1 cents. And this is just this year. This is an old Dogecoin from when it was below 2 cents or a penny. We were accumulating this over the summer. 6.1 cent Dogecoin. 10x on an investment is great. It could even go higher. We don't know. So a lot of this is based on Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin going to do? Bitcoin at 42K, right? Bitcoin doubles from here. It's past its all-time high already. And then it's in price discovery mode for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, people talking about 100,000, 200,000, maybe even up to $1 million because of the scarcity of Bitcoin. That could happen. What's happening with Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin breaks its correlation with tech stocks. We've been following sort of the NASDAQ and Bitcoin kind of trading together for a while, but now we're seeing a divergence. That's not unexpected with the Bitcoin spot ETFs coming and this excitement about Bitcoin and that it is going its own way. Who's buying? Well, MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, just bought $615 million more of Bitcoin for their huge bag, and they're not stopping to accumulate it. Even at this price, they are still buying Bitcoin. So this is all to say, look, this is going into 2024, again, life-changing opportunity, wealth that can be made in this market. We don't know what's going to happen after. So when to buy? Well, today's a good buy. We've got a dip, right? We have a dip in the market today. So what's happening today? This dip. How low is this dip going to? Well, Bitcoin didn't even get down to 42K, so not a huge dip, right? And we have Solana, again, that we showed, did dip below $100. Opportunity maybe. It might even dip a little lower. We don't know what's going to happen the next couple days. But this kind of dip that happens, again, is accumulation time for cryptos. Now, we also have January 10th. We've been talking about this date. Again, I predicted it months ago. Now everyone's talking about January 10th for Bitcoin spot ETFs. But could we have a sell the news? Crypto analyst anticipates market sell-off after the spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Right. That could be, because we see that a lot in sort of trading leading up to a big event. We've seen it with Dogecoin a number of times too, that there's so much hype building up to something, people are buying and buying and buying, then that something happens, and then there's a sell-off. And we could see that as well. So check your calendars for January 11th. If indeed that January 10th spot Bitcoin ETF happens, where there could be a drop, again, could be another time to accumulate and buy more. If you're buying on a monthly basis, December, today's a good day. January 11th might be a good day. Again, accumulating, continuing to accumulate. Again, it all adds up in your portfolio. You check your portfolio and it goes up every day. It all adds up. So what are you doing? 2024, the last best chance for life-changing crypto gains could be. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? What is happening right now? Do you think we are really on the precipice of this huge, life-changing wealth opportunity? I think I am, and that's where I've positioned myself for these kinds of gains. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.